Okay guys, I just wanted to make you a really quick short video about how to access the databases. It'll just take about 2 minutes. But you'll need to know this because you have to use scholarly journal articles, which are only accessible through the databases in your persuasive essay. So if you go up here in the upper right corner where it says MyVU, click on that, and then you'll need to sign into your MyVU. If you don't sign into MyVU, you cannot access the databases. That is because the databases cost money and you've paid for them out of your student fees. So you have to prove you're a VU student in order to access the VU databases. Once you've signed in, you need to go to the library website. Let's see here. There's a few different ways to get to it. One is if you scroll down, then on the left here under academics is library. Once you're on the library site, scroll down and you'll see over here on the right, it says databases A through Z. Click on that. I've posted videos about how to use Academic Search Premier. Academic Search Premier, as you can see, it says it has 3,900 full-text peer-reviewed journals and 4,600 total full-text journals. Basically, journals are kind of like magazines. Peer-reviewed journals would be the same thing as scholarly journals. Scholarly journals are what are required for you to use. So it's got a lot of good information. I've also posted another video about using ProQuest. ProQuest is basically a different company that does scholarly journals. It's good to do both of those because they have different scholarly journals that they have subscriptions to. There will be about 25% overlap, but there will also be a lot of unique sources in each one. So it's good to check both of those, especially if you're having trouble finding information from one source. Try information from the other source because usually if one misses something, the other one has it. It's ProQuest Research Library down here. The other one I would suggest you guys use is Nexus Uni. Nexus Uni does not have scholarly journals, but it has newspaper articles. It has over 15,000 newspapers that it pulls articles from. And it also includes, if you're doing something with a legal or political issue, it includes Supreme Court decisions and Supreme Court opinions. Finally, the one that I would suggest you guys don't use is opposing viewpoints from Gale. A lot of times the sources it includes tend to be low quality and lacking in credibility in some areas. And especially when students use only that for their sources, a lot of times they end up with sources which don't have enough depth of content or sources with limited relevance. Thank you for listening and good luck in your research.